himself as the Father's word made flesh, deem it worthy to be called a son of the carpenter, and to work with own hands, by which he took away the ancient course of sin, and made the work of human beings the source of blessing. When we faithfully work, we present to God our activity, thereby cleansing ourselves, continuing the work of creation in our endeavor, helping the needy, and joining Christ the Redeemer in fulfilling His love. Let us then bless God and ask Him to shower His blessing upon all who take up His work by doing the task for this office is intended.
Forgive us, as we forgive those who sin against us. Bring us to the best to deliver us from evil. Amen. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. The Lord is with thee. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death. Kalusugan Center.
Oh, a blood room.
Si Kunsel Ray Gonzales, Kunsel Pa, si Kunsel Joel, Kunsel Kendrick, ang mga kadagpuan sa Sambag, sa Bag-Uno, ang mga doctors, mga representatives sa uban mga agencies. I'm here to say two words. Number one, I would like to thank you for, of course, inviting us here. The second thing is that ang syudad sa Subo na idanggo na mahatag o healthy, no? Mga constituents, hatag ta o healthy mga items nga aron ang atong constituency ma-healthy, no? Kaning pag-open sa St. Vincent, that's Kalusugan Center is the key or ingredient for this. So, in behalf of the City Government, of course, Mayor Tommy and everybody sa City Council, I would like to thank for this opening and congratulations to the directors and the officers of the St. Vincent Funeral Hospital, Kalusugan Center. Maraming bundan sa dami.
And now we also call on for his message, our chairman.
91 is so good. But I am kept alive by doctors because I have 2 angioplasties. That means we need all the help from the doctor and the hospital. I would like to thank the mayor and the councilman for coming this morning for this event. But I believe I am with friends. In front of me is Councilor Andale, whose son is our Dean of College of Medical Technology, 100% passing. Councilor Harold Go, the Barrio Captain of Sambacono and Sambagdo, Joel, Councilor of the South. All of you are, in a way, the Sam head is, I understand, the College of Nursing graduate under Helen Australia. Well, I have a big plan for St. Vincent. I just talked with Dr. Nasera, he's the medical director here. He said we need some machine, I should buy it on Monday. And then we have a new lab which we acquired, or by my family, the Gutierrez compound. We bought the Baharias lab, make it into another hospital. We need hospital. It really helps life. I have one example. And this is one thing the government is helping us. Then to make use of it. So that they already put back 60 billion going to the flood control. We'll not give them anymore. So on that note, I can assure you, St. Vincent, we're going places. I'll see to it that the bank will help us with money. I was just talking with one of the doctors here, who was a friend of Pararon. Pararon and Willie Puno helped me a lot. many years ago, when I was CCC, they went to my office. And he said, Attorney Go, our bank is owned by the richest man in the Philippines, by Eduardo Obampo. I said, wow, do you want to borrow money? You want 1 million? I got so scared because 1 million is 1 million. So now I 1 million. I said, yes. I keep quiet. Then he gave me 1 million. I believe that's the start of CCC. Then the 1 million, I paid everything, another million, then another million. Then that. Now let us make St. Vincent a good primary hospital. And I understand that Dr. Dacera, that the pharmacy will be held by Light Health, by medicine. So let's, that machine that you need, we'll buy it. Plus 2 anesthesiology. We'll do it. As long as it will save lives and make it cheap, because people are really suffering, and this will not stop. This is going to be for some time. So let us help our people so that they can live a longer, happier life. And thank you very much for coming. Thank you.
Today as we celebrate a meaningful life milestone in the opening of the SBGH Kalusugan Center. I'd like to commend St. Vincent General Hospital Cebu for its unwavering commitment to delivering quality healthcare and responsible social services. Your dedication to serving the most vulnerable and underserved sectors of our community is not only admirable, but it's deeply inspiring. Today's inauguration of the Kalusugan Center is actually more than just the opening. It's a powerful symbol of hope, inclusivity, and of progress. This is the first private hospital in Cebu City to be fully accredited under PhilHealth, IACAP, and Gamot programs. It reflects a strong alignment with our national healthcare priorities. It shows that when institutions work hand in hand with government, we can truly make healthcare more accessible and equitable for all. This center plays a vital role in strengthening community-based health protection. It will serve as a bridge, bringing essential services closer to those who need them the most, and ensuring that nobody gets left behind. As we move forward, let this milestone remind us that collaboration is key. The challenges in healthcare require collective action, and today is proof that through unity, innovation, and compassion, we can build a healthier and more resilient society.
To us, nanong namugna nato ang SBGH Kalusugan Center along with the YACAP program sa PhilHealth how to become a fan.
So, Attorney Go is always about reaching out and helping, the community. So, I guess you all heard about his news that there will be no increases in hospital prices both in St. Vincent and New Zealand. And there will be no increases in the tuition fee of all UC campuses. So with those commitment, because he understands how we are now, what our status is with all the fuel price hikes, and right now we might not feel it so much, but later on, even the smallest thing, even the prices of our food, the transport, it will all be affected. And one of the things that unfortunately the Filipino do not prepare for is health. That is the last in their minds. So the most important thing for St. Vincent and also our sister hospital, UCMed, is to be able to reach out to those who really need the help the most. And with the help and collaboration with the PhilHealth Yakap program, it is truly an important step to give out. It is not free because, people pay for the PhilHealth benefits. For us to reap the benefits from PhilHealth. What we pay for PhilHealth. We don't need to wait to get hospitalized to feel the benefits. Now, at any time, you can have consultation, you can have your maintenance medications under PhilHealth benefits. Your maintenance meds, number one, you cannot pay. Everybody is allotted 20,000 pesos a year as PhilHealth benefit for medication. So for those who cannot afford to even buy the diabetic meds or their maintenance and hypertension, they can avail of it here in St. Vincent. Come here, get registered, no? And then number two is do the first patient encounter. Once you do your first patient encounter, we will immediately bring you to our consultation so that the doctor, or Dr. Castabel, the one in charge of the Yakap Center, will check, do your physical exam, do your history taking, and then from there, he will see what laboratory tests you need. There are several tests under Yakap, so they don't need to pay for it. No, not all, but the basics. And then if you need some extra maintenance medication, he can prescribe it for as long as it's within the list of the PhilHealth gamot. So that's it, very easy. It's like a one-stop shop. It's all here, right beside the center is the pharmacy. They don't need to go around and look for wherever they need to be to get the medication, to get the laboratories. It's all here. PhilHealth Yakap, it's for all Filipinos.
Thank you.
Regardless of where you are registered. Even if you are from the province but you want to be registered in St. Vincent, okay siya, go. You know what? I think I'll pass this to Dr. Care. He can answer this more.
Thank you, Doc Nina. Good morning sa lahat. Maayong buntag ka natong tanan. So as Doc Nina mentioned, Yakap is the primary care benefit of PhilHealth. Meaning to say primary care, ang focus nito is prevention. So for the longest time, PhilHealth has been active in giving services or coverage for inpatient ng mga services. Meaning to say, if you get admitted in a hospital, that's the only time that you can avail of PhilHealth. But with PhilHealth Yakap, the primary care benefit program of PhilHealth, even if you don't have any sickness, you can now avail of this benefit. Because for the longest time, as mentioned again by Doc Nina, health is the last priority of an average Filipino family, simply because of financial constraints. That's the reason why precisely PhilHealth Yakap was promulgated by PhilHealth and of course by the government to push for prevention this time. So with the question, what are the labs? Ano ba yung limits? So all you need to do, even if wala kang sakit, wala kang fever, wala kang anything, you will have to go here. For example, here sa St. Vincent, as we are here right now for their launching. Come here, have yourself registered, magpa-panel po kayo, ibig sabihin, you will choose your Yakap Clinic because Yakap Clinic is a choice of every Filipino. So as mentioned by Dr. Nina earlier, even if you are from Oslo, but you want to be paneled here, you want to be registered here in St. Vincent, that's okay. Pag nakita ka na ni Doc, fast forward, nagkaroon na ng consultation, ma'am, wala ka namang sakit, but I need to see because you're already, example lang, no, you're already 50-year-old. So I need to see whether your lipid profile is still okay. Kasi borderline po kayo hypertensive. So the doctor may request for certain laboratory tests as deemed necessary. For free, so long as the laboratory tests requested were within the bounds or scope of PhilHealth Yakap. There are 13 laboratory tests included. To name a few, this includes CBC, urinalysis, marami stool exam, chest x-ray, lipid profile, glycosylated hemoglobin for diabetics, FPS, fasting blood sugar, marami pang iba, serum creatinine, so on and so forth. So there are 13 laboratory tests, pwede yung ma-check sa website ng PhilHealth or even dito, paano yung pwedeng ma-avail. But the laboratory test, I have to make it clear, should be requested by the physician, the Yakap physician.
Our politician here in Cebu City, I know you are so busy, but thank you for taking time. No, PhilHealth, we want to be best friends with them. Thank you so much to the mayor, to our congresswoman, to all the councilors and doctors who attended this event. And we hope that please spread it to your constituents. We are very much welcome to accept everybody and extend our help.